Hi, young explorers. Welcome to our amazing Mommy's Magical Playhouse. Welcome to Farmer Sarah's farm, where the animals are happy and life is full of fun and adventure. Let's meet the animals and see what they're up to today. Sheep. Pig. Horse. Cow. Rooster. Hen. Goat. Donkey. Goose. Duck. Rabbit. Turkey. Dog. Cat. And that's the end of our day on the farm. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you had a great time meeting all the wonderful animals. Goodbye.